Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Salesforce Certified Administrator Training. Lecture 4. Building and Customizing Salesforce Applications. Introduction. Creating and managing custom tabs and apps. Building page layouts and record types. Creating custom buttons, links, and actions. Workflow rules and process automation. Introduction to Lightning App Builder. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to our presentation on building and customizing Salesforce applications. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their efficiency and productivity. That's where Salesforce comes in. By building and customizing your own Salesforce applications, you can streamline your business processes and make your team more productive than ever before. But why is this important? Well, the benefits are clear. With custom Salesforce applications, you can tailor the platform to meet your specific business needs. This means that you can automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and make better use of your time. Additionally, by building your own applications, you can ensure that your team is using a system that is optimized for your business, rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. Creating and managing custom tabs and apps. Custom tabs and apps are powerful tools that can improve productivity and efficiency in Salesforce. To create custom tabs and apps, you need to go through a simple process that involves defining the tab or app, choosing the appropriate settings, and assigning it to the relevant users or profiles. Custom tabs and apps can be used to display specific information, streamline workflows, and provide quick access to frequently used features. For example, you can create a custom tab for a specific object, such as a project or a customer account, and customize its fields and properties to meet your business needs. You can also create an app that includes multiple tabs and components, such as dashboards, reports, and charts, to provide a comprehensive view of your data and processes. By creating and managing custom tabs and apps, you can tailor Salesforce to your specific requirements and enhance your team's productivity and collaboration. Building page layouts and record types. Building page layouts and record types in Salesforce is a crucial aspect of customizing your organization's user interface. A page layout is essentially a template for how data is displayed on a record detail page, while a record type allows you to organize records based on certain criteria. By creating custom page layouts and record types, you can tailor the user experience to meet the unique needs of your business. To create a page layout, you start by selecting the object you want to customize and then choosing the appropriate page layout editor. From there, you can add, remove, or rearrange fields, as well as add related lists, buttons, and other components. Record types, on the other hand, are created by defining the criteria that will determine which records belong to a particular type. Once you have created your record types, you can assign different page layouts to each type, allowing you to further customize the user experience. Creating custom buttons, links, and actions. Creating custom buttons, links, and actions in Salesforce can greatly improve productivity by automating tasks that would otherwise require manual effort. These customizations can be tailored to specific business needs, allowing for a more streamlined workflow. To create custom buttons, links, and actions, navigate to the Object Manager and select the object you want to customize. From there, click on Buttons, Links, and Actions and select New Action. You can then choose from a variety of options, such as creating a new record or updating an existing one. Once you've configured your custom action, you can add it to page layouts or related lists for easy access. Workflow rules and process automation. Workflow rules and process automation are powerful tools that can help businesses automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency in Salesforce. With workflow rules, you can create automated actions based on specific criteria. For example, you can set up a rule to automatically send an email notification when a new lead is created. This can save time and ensure that important tasks are completed in a timely manner. Process automation takes this a step further by allowing you to create complex workflows with multiple steps. For example, you can create a process that automatically assigns leads to specific sales representatives based on their location or industry. This can help streamline your sales process and ensure that leads are being handled by the right people. By using workflow rules and process automation, businesses can save time, reduce errors, and improve overall efficiency in Salesforce. Introduction to Lightning App Builder. Welcome to the Lightning App Builder, a powerful tool that allows you to create custom applications with ease. With Lightning App Builder, you can drag and drop pre-built components onto your application pages, making it simple to customize the user interface. To meet your business needs, you don't need to have any coding experience to use this tool. This makes it possible for non-technical users to create custom applications without any help from developers. Imagine being able to create an app that streamlines your workflow in just a few clicks. Lightning App Builder is also designed to work seamlessly with Salesforce's Lightning experience, providing a modern, intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate and use. Whether you're looking to create a custom dashboard, a new page layout, or a completely new application, Lightning App Builder has everything you need to get started. Conclusion. In conclusion, building and customizing Salesforce applications provides organizations with the flexibility and power to tailor the platform to their specific business needs. By leveraging the customization capabilities offered by Salesforce, businesses can create highly personalized and efficient applications that enhance productivity, streamline processes, and drive growth. Customization in Salesforce allows organizations to adapt the platform to match their unique workflows, business rules, and user requirements. It empowers businesses to create custom objects, fields, and relationships, enabling the capture and management of data specific to their industry or business processes. This flexibility ensures that Salesforce aligns perfectly with the organization's operations and supports its specific goals and objectives. Furthermore, the Salesforce App Exchange offers a vast marketplace of pre-built applications and components that can be integrated or customized to extend the functionality of Salesforce. This ecosystem provides organizations with access to a wide range of specialized tools and solutions, enabling them to enhance their existing Salesforce implementation and cater to their evolving business needs. Customization in Salesforce also allows for the creation of personalized user interfaces, dashboards, and reports. This level of personalization ensures that users have a seamless and intuitive experience within Salesforce, leading to increased user adoption and efficiency. Customization also facilitates the automation of repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort and freeing up resources for more value-added activities. Additionally, building custom applications on Salesforce enables organizations to leverage the platform's robust security features, ensuring the protection of sensitive data and compliance with industry regulations. Customization allows for the implementation of granular access controls, data encryption, and user authentication measures, enhancing data security and privacy. However, it is essential to note that effective customization requires careful planning, analysis, and collaboration with stakeholders. Organizations should define their requirements clearly, prioritize customization efforts, and involve users in the design and testing phases to ensure that the end product aligns with their expectations and needs. In conclusion, building and customizing Salesforce applications empowers organizations to optimize their Salesforce implementation, align the platform with their unique business processes, and enhance user experiences. By leveraging customization capabilities, organizations can create tailored solutions that drive efficiency, productivity, and growth, while ensuring data security and compliance.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.